Hi there. Let's take a look at how to complete and submit the travel itinerary assignment for our course. So you can see on the screen, I'm already at our course's Blackboard site. At the left, I'm going to go ahead and click Assignments. And then this work is for Chapter 13. So I'm going to scroll down and look for Part 4. Click on that to advance. And then scroll down until you see the Chapter 13 Cool Tool travel app. Read all of the information below, get your travel itinerary put together, save it as a Word document, have it done and complete. Then when you're ready, click this link for the Chapter 13 Cool Tool. That will advance you to the spot or the section within our course's discussion board where you need to post this. Okay, now click Create Thread. I have all of the same instructions here as well, so you can sort of double check your work. In the subject box, you can type your name and travel itinerary. And then down here in the message, in the body message box, you can type a little blurb about your travel itinerary. And then I'm going to scroll down even further. Click Browse My Computer to add your itinerary, your saved Word document, add that as an attachment to your message. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me at any time.